Following the MVP, our team set goals to be finished by each week. These goals are typically established for each page of the UI. Click here to check out our previous video. This video will show you what we have done since then. Let's get right into it. Feedback from the critiques have told us that the Nuclear Plaza, or the homepage, was too cluttered. We responded to this by removing unnecessary information. The page now only consists of the avatar and serves as a dressing room for the unlocked clothing. A header has also been added on every page to show the users the amount of aminos and mRNA they currently have. The main way to earn these aminos is through taking the medication on time on the schedule page. Currently, the Nuclear Plaza is not working on mobile devices. The schedule page is now complete, but still populated with mock medication data. If the medication is taken on time, with a leeway of 10 minutes, 3 aminos are rewarded to the user. However, the amino numbers on the header do not update on mobile devices. Information is also sent to the database to keep track of patient compliance. If the medication is not taken on time, no aminos will be rewarded. Another way to earn aminos is on the Buzz page. Feedback has told us that social media might not be a great idea for children. The team has decided to remove the Twitter feed and implement a quiz, which would enhance the education aspect of our application. The quiz contains only one question, but is updated daily. The user will have unlimited attempts at the quiz. When the answer is correct, 3 aminos will be rewarded. The question is set by the practitioner and should ask questions about the content in the daily video. The aminos can then be spent to create mRNA in the amino game, which can be accessed through the Nuclear Plaza. The amino game now functionally works when testing on computer browsers, but not on mobile devices. Styling and instructions are yet to be implemented. To play the game, the user will touch the matching amino on the right. If the correct amino is pressed, it will appear on the left. If it is incorrect, an alert will appear to tell the user to try again. After all aminos have been matched, a button will appear below to allow the user to create one mRNA. There is only one DNA template for the users to match. To make sure users are paying attention, the order of the aminos on the right will be randomized every time. mRNA can be spent to unlock clothing and games on the ribosome page. Clothing are separated into hats, shirts, and shorts. Some designs of clothing feature a sailor, a graduate, Batman, and Superman. Currently, the users can only scroll through the different clothing. The practitioner's website now has some new features. New patients can now be added by the practitioner. The patient's medication stock can be seen, and quiz questions can now also be added. There are still quite a few things we need to be done before the exhibition. Notably, this is the unlocking of clothing in the ribosome page, the reorder of medication, testing on mobile devices, and finally the styling and look of the application. We would appreciate feedback on what information a practitioner might want to see on the website, what other clothing we should design, and finally if the current features satisfy the requirements of education and encouragement. Thank you for your feedback.